Today I'm going to show you how to prevent printing, copying, and downloading in Google Sheets. This is particularly useful when you need to share sensitive data or documents with collaborators, but want to maintain control over how that information is distributed. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Google Workspace, as this is where all your shared documents and spreadsheets are stored. Once you've entered your login details, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to apply these restrictions. Simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. This is the document we'll be adjusting the sharing settings for, so make sure you've selected the correct file before proceeding. With your spreadsheet now open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a blue button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on this button. This is the gateway to all the sharing and permission settings for your document, and it's where we'll make the necessary changes to protect your content. Once you click Share, a dialog box will appear with various sharing options. In this dialog box, look for the gear icon. This icon represents the advanced settings for your document's sharing permissions. Click on it to access these more detailed controls. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a section that says People who can download, copy, and print. This is the critical setting we need to modify. By default, Google Sheets allows editors, commenters, and viewers to download, print, and copy your spreadsheet, which might not align with your security needs. To restrict these capabilities, simply uncheck the boxes next to editors and commenters and viewers. By removing these check marks, you're effectively preventing anyone you share this document with from downloading, printing, or copying its contents. They'll still be able to view and interact with the spreadsheet based on their permission level, but they won't be able to create copies or print it out. Once you've unchecked both options, click the back arrow to return to the main sharing dialog, and then click Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully restricted printing, copying, and downloading permissions for your Google Sheets document, giving you greater control over your sensitive information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.